For folks who don't know me, I'm Vinesh Sukumar, and I lead the AI product team at Qualcomm. And standing in front of you, I'd like to take the opportunity to do a little bit more deep dive on what Qualcomm AI is all about, and hopefully get you guys all hyped up and excited just before lunch. Okay, so I'll start with today's presentation with the opening statement saying that AI investment in the cloud is absolutely important and paramount, but it only supplements the investment of running AI applications on the edge. And for this audience who's part of the Embedded Vision Summit, there should be no new news that the center of gravity on enabling AI applications is moving towards the edge. And this is primarily because of many reasons, and some among them are really drive for user privacy, ability to push for better responsiveness, lower latency, while at the same time able to effectively use network bandwidth. But in the last 9-12 months or so, I would say post-pandemic situation, there's been a lot of external pull-in to customize models on the edge. No longer there's been an ask for a universal model, but try to really customize or personalize these models to a specific application, a specific user, a specific form factor, a specific category of OEM form factors. Now, all this is only possible if you're able to push or process data closest to the source. And with a strong investment that needs to happen beyond inference, with expectations that you could do training on device, learning on device, and have the infrastructure around it. Now, I'm proud to say that at Qualcomm AI, we have done all of this stuff. Our corporate R&D team has been quite strong, with a strong investment in terms of research that expands beyond the traditional inference models, but also look at what does it take to be successful in learning and on training. And what we have done is, working with engineering teams, we have taken that research from AI perspective and then helped enhance most of the use cases that are mapped to several IP domains. It could be related to image quality on the camera side, could be natural bot creation on the gaming side, image transformation on the graphics side. We work on multiple IPs. And at the same time, with a strong investment in software, help create a lot of applications, ability to connect to our developer partner teams by providing us tools and put in a lot of new use cases out there. And this should not be a new piece of information. It's public at this point of time. I'm proud to say that on the Windows side, on the left, on Windows 11, Qualcomm pretty much is one of the first entry into that space, wherein you have dedicated AI applications running on a dedicated embedded AI engine. It's come as part of Windows 11 launch on our NPU platform, that you can see this on Lenovo X13 platforms. Moving on the right-hand side, same thing across multiple BU units. On the ADAS segment, we've got some significant traction in terms of use case enablement, both for infotainment and for ADAS side. Ferrari, BMW, Volkswagen, L2, L3, L4, kind of designs.